So now we will do the next question, next theorem or example related to correlation coefficient. Now we have given u is equal to ax plus by. V is given to be cx plus dy, right? And they are measured from their respective means. Measured from their respective means, right? And R is the these all things are given to us, and R is the correlation coefficient between x and y. This is given to us, right? Now the question is, if the covariance between u and v is equal to 0, that is the variables u and v are uncorrelated. If they are uncorrelated, then we have to find what is the value of sigma u and sigma v. That must comes out to be AD minus BC into sigma x, sigma y, 1 minus r square raised to power 1 by 2. So ultimately, we have to find out the value of covariance between x and y, rxy, because we have given this. So let's start the proof. Now R is equal to covariance between x and y. This is sigma x and sigma y. So it implies, first of all, we will do some type of expression. We will find out some of the expression according to the need of the question. It implies 1 minus r square is equal to covariance between xy upon sigma x and sigma y, right? So we have to take the square. It means इसका भी square आ जाएगा और यहाँ भी आपके पास square आ जाएगा, right? अब क्योंकि आपके आंसर में क्यों हमने किया ये, why we have taken 1 minus r, क्योंकि आंसर में क्या पड़ा हुआ है 1 minus r, so that's why we have calculated 1 minus r square. So it implies cross multiply करके what we will get, this is 1 minus r square into sigma x square, sigma y square, and here what we will have sigma x square LCM leke. So ultimately you are left with this covariance between x, y, x square. Now we have given that as x and y. Let it be the expression number 1 जिसमें हमने अपनी ultimate सारी values find out करके put करनी है, right? इसमें आपको सिग्मा एक्स सिग्मा वाई स्क्वायर की वैल्यू चाहिए, क्योंकि आपके वैसे आपके एक्सप्रेशन में सिग्मा एक्स सिग्मा वाई पड़ा हुआ है. इट मींस यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट कोवेरिएंस बिटवीन एक्स एंड वाई. सो सिंस एक्स एंड वाई दे आर measured from means. When we take the deviations from mean and when we take the sum of that deviation, that is always equal to 0. It implies expectation of x is equal to 0 and expectations of y is equal to 0. If expectation of x is 0, expectation of y is 0, it implies expectation of u is equal to 0 and expectation of v is also is equal to 0. ठीक है जी? So next is, now what is the value of sigma u square? Last question में भी हमने किया, that will comes out to be sigma u, क्योंकि आप अगर आप next ये value put करते हो this one, so that comes out to be 0, so you are again only left with sigma u square. Then similarly, what is sigma v square? That comes out to be some expected of v square minus expected of v x square. Again, we have the expected of v0, so that comes out to be expected of v square. But you have to find the value of covariance between x and y. But we have given the expression in terms of u and v. It means we will find out the value of x, and now we will change x and y in terms of u. Now express u and v, express x and y in terms of u and v. As u is equal to, what was u? This is ax plus b. But a simultaneous linear equation, you know how to solve. I'm just writing the value after calculating. It implies x will be equal to 1 by AD minus BC into DU minus BB. And y is equal to 1 by AD minus BC is equal to minus CU plus AV. Right? So now, first of all, we will find out the variance of x. What is variance of x? Variance of x, what is the formula of variance of x? It implies directly formula नहीं लगाएंगे क्योंकि आपको यहाँ पर क्या चाहिए, x की वैल्यू. x की वैल्यू है AD minus BC DU minus BV. Right? So this comes out to be, so variance में बेटा आपको पता है जो भी आप कांस्टेंट लगा होता है कोफिशिएंट है उसका स्क्वायर हो जाता है, दैट इज AD minus BC its square, then D square into variance of A minus B, variance of A plus variance of B, और साथ साथ जो भी आपके कोफिशिएंट है उनका स्क्वायर होता जाएगा. ठीक है, प्लस B square into variance of B square minus 2BD into covariance between U and V. Now we have given that the covariance between U and V is equal to 0. So therefore we are left with AD minus BC its whole square into D square sigma U square plus B square into sigma V square. Similarly, we will find out variance between variance of Y, that is variance of which expression, AD minus BC, and here we will have minus CU plus AB. उसी तरह से ओपन करके जो आंसर आ रहा है, I'm just writing that AD minus BC its whole square into C square sigma U square plus A square into sigma B square. So we have calculated the value of sigma variance of x and variance of y. Now, what is covariance between x and y? The formula is expected of xy minus expected of x into expected of y. उसमें से ये दो quantities आपकी zero हो गई as a given condition. So you will put the value here. What is the value of x? This is 1 by AD minus BC into 1 upon common ही आ रहा है AD minus BC. You will put the value of x, this is du minus bv, and here is cu minus cu plus ab, right? So the expectation में scalar बाहर आ जाएगा AD minus BC square. So you will multiply this, you will do the expectation, then we will put all the values. So we will continue this topic tomorrow. I hope what we have done that is clear to all of you.